Drag a drop list onto the canvas. Double-click it to edit options. Click the Add button to add a new option. We add two options. Click the Delete button to delete the option. Click the Edit Multiple button to edit many options at once, entering one option per line. Click the checkbox before the option to select the default option. We add an interaction to Droplist. Selection changed is a unique interaction of Droplist. Select it. Add a case and condition. Add a condition with the expression selected option of this equals option show. Select Show from the drop list. Click OK to save. Add a show operation to show the list. Copy and paste the interaction, change the option of the condition to hide, and also change the action to hide. Preview the prototype. When we select Hide from the drop list, the list is hidden. When we select Show, the list is shown.